Hello, this is Crypto Support. Today we will tell about 3 basic ways of earning money on Binance Exchange for beginners. As always, the video will be short and straightforward. Let's get started. Before we begin, it is important to say that our channel has a partnership with Binance. They have a promo code which you will need to specify when creating an account. It will give you a lifetime huge discount on the exchange commission of 20%, which is a great offer, to be honest. Thus, you will be able to use the exchange with the maximum benefit. Now, let's move on to the ways of making money. The first way is investing in cryptocurrencies, one of the major ways to earn money on the Binance exchange. The idea is to buy certain cryptocurrencies and hold them for the short, medium or long term, and then sell them for the highest price. Investing in cryptocurrency has a high profit potential, but also has a high risk. So before you invest your funds, it is important to research the information about the coins you're about to purchase. Gather all available information and then make a decision. It is also recommended to have a separate hot or cold wallet, especially if you want to store large amounts of cryptocurrency. Then it would make more sense to withdraw cryptocurrency from Binance to your own wallet. Trading is the second main way to make money on Binance, and it is all about opening a position for a specific cryptocurrency to rise or fall. For example, you open a long position in Bitcoin. One day later, Bitcoin really goes up, and you are right, you close your position and take your profit. Apart from trading on the spot market, there are also futures. Futures are contracts for buying digital coins in the future at a price that is determined and fixed at the current period. And here we have the possibility to use leverage, which allows us to increase the trading profit by several times. If you have $100 using the 10x leverage, your balance turns from $100 to $1,000. But in this case, if you have opened a long position and the cryptocurrency is fallen by 10%, the liquidation will occur. This is a forced closing of position and you will lose your $100. In the opposite case, if the cryptocurrency shows a growth of 10%, by closing the position you will already have $200. This is twice your balance, or 2x leverage. By the way, on Binance the maximum leverage available is 125x. As you may have already realized, trading with leverage carries a high risk and is not recommended for beginners without enough experience and knowledge. The third main way to earn on Binance is investing in cryptocurrencies for interest. There are different types of investing, such as staking or farming. The idea is that you hold your cryptocurrency in exchange account for some time and receive interest for it. You can draw an analogy with a bank deposit. There are many variations, for example, a deposit for a specified number of days where you cannot withdraw your assets, or a flexible deposit where you will have an opportunity to withdraw your funds and interest at any time. The interest in staking and farming depends on which cryptocurrency you invest in and for how long. The interest is usually between 1 and 20% per year. However, the interest can be higher in case the deposit contains risk due to the fact that the cryptocurrency is uncertain and has high volatility, which means that it can either rise quickly and sharply or lose its value in a short period of time. Both of these trading tools can be found in the Earn tab, where you can see the coins that are available, as well as the interest and time frame for which you can invest them. These were the main ways to earn money on Binance Exchange for beginners. That's all for today. Subscribe to our Support Crypto channel. Very soon there will be many more interesting and short videos. See you later. Bye.